Hi Stampers! Today I'm going to show you how to make this paper frame. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and put the card together first, the base card. And instead of using the Bashful Blue, I'm going to use the Melon Mambo. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your Whisper White, and this is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, and you're going to score it at 4.25. That's going to make your base card. And then for the center piece, which is the Melon Mambo Designer paper, this is cut at 1.25 by 5.5. And then I added some Whisper White Organza ribbon. And then the birthday wishes, the greeting on the card, is from the Watercolor Trio stamp set. And this is in the Summer Mini right now. It's fabulous. Love this font of the greetings. Okay, so then for the paper frame, you're going to cut your designer paper at 4.25 by 4.25. And then you'll need a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 2.75 by 2.75. So let's go ahead and get started with the frame section of the card. You're going to take a ruler, and whatever side you want your edge to be on your frame, you're going to put the designer paper face down. So you're just going to take your ruler, and you're going to line it up from point to point, and then just mark a line, because you're going to want to find your center of your square first. And then do the other side. Same way. So then you get an X in the center of your designer paper. Can you see that? Okay, so then next you're just going to take your point and you're going to fold it up to the center of the X. And you're going to do all four sides the same way. Okay, so then your square should look like this. Then the next step is you're going to take the center point that's in the center of your square, and you're going to just fold that back. And I'm not really measuring, I'm just kind of eyeballing it. So you're just going to fold it back, and then this edge right here from that last fold, I'm going to kind of line that next fold up with that. So they'll match on all four sides. Okay, so it looks like that. Let me show you up close here. Okay, then you want to go ahead and add some mini glue dots. You can use dimensionals if you want to, but I find that the mini glue dots work the best. I'm going to go ahead and add those first. Okay, so before you seal it down, we're going to go ahead and add the Whisper White to the center part of the paper frame. And this will cover up the center X that we made when we found the center of the frame. And then just go ahead and seal down your mini glue dots. Now you can just leave it like this if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and add some more mini glue dots on the side of these little side triangles here. Okay, so there's your paper frame. Isn't that cute? How easy is that? So now we're going to go ahead and flip this over, and I'm going to add some dimensionals on the back side of my frame. And I'm just going to cut these little strips here of the dimensionals. Cut two of them out here. Let's put one on the top, and one on the bottom. And then just take your card and position that. That cute. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and use the butterfly punch with the same designer paper, the Melon Mambo. And I'm going to pop this up on a dimensional also. I'm going to put this side facing out. They're cute. Okay, so then on this card, I added these little flowers on each of the triangle corners. And let me show you how I did that. Okay, so I'm just going to take a piece of Whisper White, and I got the paper piercing tool and the matte pack. And before I use the punch, I'm going to go ahead and pierce a little tiny hole first on the Whisper White. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this flower punch. And these 3 punches are in a set. And this is called the punch pack, which is the itty bitty shapes. And you get all 3 punches when you purchase them. So we're going to take this little flower here. And I'm going to go ahead and center that over that paper piercing punch that I made. Because I'm going to add a brad. And I find that it's easier to go ahead and do the hole first before I actually punch the flower out. And then I'm just going to add the brad. Now this flower is really, really small, so when you open up your brad in the back, you're going to want to trim the little backings off because they show outside of the flower. So, but that's how I did that. So I went ahead and did all 4 of them already. So I'll just go ahead and add these to the frame of my card. And then I pop the flowers up on a dimensional also. Okay, there you go. Isn't it cute? Super easy. Love it. All right, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.